I used to spend hours building my leads list in Claude. Then I found this AI lead finder and stopped completely. I just typed one sentence into this AI chat and it gave me over 2,000 lead results with first and last name, company, email, LinkedIn profile URL, and several other data points using only Scalelist, the #1 lead finder and list builder for B2B salespeople. I run a marketing agency and this AI has completely replaced Claude for lead gen for me with how I find my leads and build my lists. This feature is for paid users only, but it's totally worth it and I'm gonna show you exactly why. In order to get started, just go to the scalelist.com website to create your account. Then once you're logged into the Scalelist dashboard, from the navigation panel on the left-hand side, go ahead and click Leads Finder. And here you can just use natural language telling the AI who it is that you're looking for, including filters like roles, company size, geography, and industry. Now, of course, the broader the search, the more leads you're going to find. So I'm just gonna ask the AI to find finance companies with under 200 employees in California. Now, immediately it comes back to confirm my filters, job titles, industry, company size, and location. But it will also give me the option of expanding my filters to widen my search. And just for the sake of seeing how many leads we can come up with, let's go ahead and add all of these suggested filters for related titles, more senior roles, and additional locations. Okay, one more confirmation, and let's just estimate the market size. Wow, and with those filters, I have anywhere from 25 to 26,000 leads that I could pull. Now, it doesn't cost me any credits to estimate the market size. Credits are only charged for specific leads that I pull. So I can either start with 10 leads, which will cost me 10 credits, or I can add all leads, which will cost me anywhere from 25 to 26,000 credits, depending on how many leads it pulls exactly. While 25,000 is a really great number for this AI to pull, I actually prefer to keep my search results a little bit more narrow so I can personalize my outreach much better. So I'm actually going to switch gears a little bit and I'm going to ask the AI to find founders in finance companies with under 200 employees still, but only in San Francisco. Okay, now job titles look good. For my industry, I don't actually want to include banking or insurance. I only want to keep financial services and investment management. So I'll just tell the AI remove banking and insurance, but I do want to add the related titles it suggested. So I'll say and add related titles. Okay, so let's just double check our filters. Job titles, industry, company size, location, all looks good. I don't want to widen further. Let's go ahead and estimate my market size. Really quickly, I do want to add in some partners and managing directors. Let's just see how many results this pulls up for us. Okay, filters look good, estimate market size. Okay, now this is more like it because I actually wanted to find leads in the 2,000 to 3,000 range. It's just confirming that adding leads costs 1 credit each. I want to add all leads, so let's go for that. And once I've hit enter, it's opened up the page and is now searching for all of those leads for me. My chat with the AI has moved from the center of the page to the left side. From the top right, I can close my chat. But if I do need to go back to it for any reason, I can just click AI chat one more time and it'll open right back up into the conversation that I was having. At the top of the page, I can see my progress bar where it's exporting my leads and also approximately how long the extraction is going to take. Now in the chat, it's already asking me if I want to find emails and phone numbers. I will have it search for emails for me, but first I want to extract all of my leads and then conduct the email search. This way it doesn't do just a partial email search. It can look for all of them all at the same time. What this AI is doing right now is exactly why I stopped using Claude for finding leads and building my list. It was taking way too long to find relevant leads. Plus it would cap out usually around 50 to 75 leads. And even then, I would need to double check to make sure that the leads were still relevant and up to date. But what I love about this is that the Scalelist AI lead finder doesn't have a cap and all of the leads that it returns are already verified for me. What used to be the slowest part of my process is now actually my fastest, and I can let it run in the background while I execute other tasks. Now, because this search is going to take a little bit longer, I'm going to pause the video here and we'll come right back when it's all done. Now it's completely finished and in total, it's come back with 2,114 leads for me. Now, if we look at the chat on the left-hand side, after the lead search was all done, I just clicked the Find Emails button. It just clarified if I wanted to find all emails for all of the leads, which I said yes, find all emails. And in total, it's come back with 1,422 emails for me. Now, for every email found costs 1 credit and no credits are charged for emails that are not found. Verification is included in the cost of the credit. Verification just means whether the email was found valid or risky. Valid meaning that the email has been found and is confirmed deliverable. Risky meaning that the email has been found, but it's unconfirmed whether or not it's deliverable. So it's up to you to decide whether or not you still want to use that email. And in total, I have 1,175 valid emails, 247 that were risky, and 692 emails that were not found. Now going back to the chat in the left panel, I can move forward with this and ask the AI to look for phone numbers for me, whether for all of my leads or maybe even just the ones that the emails were not found for. Also, I can go up to the blue actions button on the top top right. I can either export this entire list to a CSV, Excel file, or I can just push these leads directly into my CRM. I went ahead and exported to a CSV, and here I can see all of my data points. The most important ones for me being the LinkedIn profile URL, first and last name, job title, company, and of course the email. And that's it. One sentence is all that it took for me to get over 2,100 leads and over 1,400 emails. Scalelist AI did all of the searching, lead pulling, email finding, and put everything into a spreadsheet for me, cutting my prospecting time in more than half. So try it yourself at scalelist.com. Now it's your turn. Scale smarter and not harder.